Welcome to Tico Tech, your home for the latest, smartest, and most exciting tech reviews. Today, we read diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's latest foldable flagship for 2025. Is it the best foldable phone ever made, or just another expensive gadget? Stick around, because by the end of this review, you'll know if it's worth your money. Section 1. Design and build quality. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 keeps the iconic foldable design we've come to love, but with refined edges and a slimmer hinge mechanism. Samsung has made it lighter and more durable thanks to its new aerospace-grade aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection. When closed, it feels more compact in the hand. When opened, the 7.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display truly feels like holding a mini tablet. The crease is still there, but noticeably less visible compared to the Fold 6. Section 2, Display Quality. Let's talk about the screens, because there are two of them. The cover display is a 6.3-inch AMOLED with a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Inside, the massive 7.9-inch foldable AMOLED boasts 120 Hz refresh, HDR10+, and up to 2,800 nits peak brightness, perfect for outdoor use. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the overall viewing experience is unmatched for gaming, multitasking, or watching movies. Section 3 Performance. Powering the Fold 7 is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options from 256 GB all the way to 1 TB. In real-world usage, this phone flies. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running multiple apps in split-screen mode, the performance is silky smooth. The new cooling system also keeps it from overheating during heavy tasks. Section for a software and multitasking. Samsung's One UI 7 has been fine-tuned for foldables. You can run 3 apps side by side, drag and drop content between them, and even use the Fold as a mini laptop with Samsung DeX. There's also improved S Pen support, with lower latency for smoother writing and drawing. Section 5. Cameras. The Fold 7 features a triple rear camera system, 12MP main sensor, 12MP ultra-wide, 10MP telephoto with 5x optical zoom. The image quality is outstanding, especially in low light thanks to Samsung's advanced AI image processing. The under-display front camera is still just okay, but perfect for video calls without breaking the immersive screen experience. Section 6. Battery and charging. A 5,000 mAh battery powers the Fold 7, offering all-day use even with heavy multitasking. Fast charging hits 65W wired, 30W wireless, and reverse wireless charging for your accessories. Section 7. Price and final verdict. Starting at $1,899. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is not cheap, but it is easily the most refined foldable on the market right now. If you value productivity, top-tier performance, and a unique design, this phone might just be your ultimate daily driver. So, what do you think? Is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 worth the upgrade, or will you wait for the Fold 8? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the latest tech reviews from Tico Tech.